Hey, welcome back everyone. Cameron here. Today's video will consist of how to draw the side of the male torso using charcoal. I'll explain my approach in the simplest way possible. Feel free to pause the video at any point if I happen to go too fast. I hope this tutorial helps you as well as supports you on your art journey. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what else you guys would like to see additional videos on, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated, and now, let's get to the video. Okay, so for the first step, we're going to block in our upper torso with a rectangle. Along with an additional rectangle representing the midsection / abdomen. And then a U shape that connects underneath, forming the pelvis. Next, we're going to add in our ribcage line, along with a circle representing the shoulder / deltoid. And then we'll add in the latissimus dorsi muscles. Then next we're going to add in the lower chest line. And then we want to add in the neck as well. And keep in mind that the neck usually extrudes at a slight forward angle. And then from here we'll add in our traps and clavicle as well. And then next we're going to soften all of our lines, getting them ready for a tone. So starting with the top of the neck, we want to add in our hard edge lines to define our outer profile better. And then from here we're going to start defining more of the lat muscles. Along with the abdomen / ribcage. And again, be sure not to go fully towards the edge of your drawing, since this is going to keep that rounded appearance. And as you see here, I'm only adding dark tones in areas that are needed, because if I did the opposite and made it so that every single line has the same amount of contrast, things would start to become flat. So you always want to make it so that there's a gradual level of tone, especially in areas where creases or folds start. And when it comes to the overlapping of certain areas like the upper leg area coming over the abdomen, you want to make it so that your line kind of transitions from a hard edge to a tone, using the tip of your pencil to the side of your pencil, if that makes sense. And if you need a little bit more context on that, on what I mean, you can check out my recent tutorial on how to shade using charcoal for a better idea. And this is me basically just adding another layer of hard edge line to add some more dimension. You don't have to do this, but this was just a preference for me for this particular drawing. And that is our video. I hope this was helpful for you, and take care, everyone.